Ready to unlock a secret health weapon hiding in your kitchen? Garlic juice is like the superhero of your spice rack. You get this liquid gold by crushing, pressing, or juicing garlic cloves. And trust me, its benefits are no joke. First off, garlic juice can boost your immune system. Yep, it's like a tiny bodyguard fighting off colds and flu. Feeling a bit blah? Add some garlic juice to your routine. Plus, it's a heart's best friend. It can help keep your blood pressure in check and your ticker in tip-top shape. Who knew something so small could be so mighty? Got a stubborn pimple? Dab a bit of garlic juice on it. Its antibacterial properties can help clear up your skin. Say goodbye to those unwanted guests. And let's not forget the flavor punch it packs in your cooking. Mix it into your salad dressings, marinades, or even smoothies for an extra kick. Just remember, a little goes a long way. So, whether you're a kitchen newbie or a health enthusiast, garlic juice is the new must-have in your pantry. Give it a try and unlock its power today. Your body will thank you.